What's up, YouTube? Man, what's up, man? Look, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't even know, man. Like, you can see people were asleep, bro. I don't even know if I would have cranked this thing yet, bro. But today we're about to go to the muffler shop, man, and install the mufflers. This thing is too loud, bro. We're gonna have to quiet it down. But man, I'm gonna have to do this and be kind of subtle, cause this is crazy. All right, sorry, neighbors. I gotta go. This shit is too loud. Hold on, y'all. We're driving down the road right now. I'm trying to keep it under 2,000 because this shit is so loud, y'all. Holy crap. But yeah, man, it's too early, so I'm like trying to make less noise as possible. But yeah, man, today we're gonna take it to the muffler shop and get this thing quieted down a little bit, man. This is too loud for real. Make sure y'all comment and subscribe for real, man. I'm doing this for y'all. Nope. Look at that sunrise over there. Nice sunset though. I mean sunrise. What is wrong with me, bro? Let's cold start with the new setup. Okay. Y'all, we just left the muffler shop, man. This thing is back to normal, the way I want it to sound, you know. I don't want it to sound too crazy. I gotta get on it one time, but I'm gonna get on it. Y'all see, man, we got the mufflers on there, quieted down a little bit. Not really too quiet though, you know, you can still hear. It sounds good though, I ain't gonna cap. We're going, what's it called, man? We're gonna head back to we're on the way back to the dealership. We go around this man, I don't know what he doing. He driving too slow though. Look at this dude. Boy, we're driving that car on some other shit today, bro. They driving reckless. I'm gonna slow down real quick, man. Do a little pull for y'all. Hold on. Quick little pull, you know what I'm saying? Let's slow down. Slow the hell down. You see the traffic. I'm liking this setup, bro. It's not loud at all. It's not the way, it sounds good, you know what I'm saying? But we're on up the bridge right now. Y'all see it? Look at the view, man. Check out the views type shit. But we're on top of the world right now. Get them boats down there. But yeah, man, hey, let me know if you guys like the setup, bro. I'm gonna make some more videos for y'all. So remember, long tube headers, no cats, just pipe all the way back to the MPP mufflers, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Peace.